Good morning, everybody. We thank God today because these hives have been here since the pandemic, that is that is from 2020, and they were not colonized until today, this morning, and recently, about a week ago, actually less than a week ago, I got a bee attractant, lemongrass, and that lemongrass oil has not even taken a week to attract the bees. I cannot, perhaps if I zoom, I can catch one or two entering this particular hive. But it's so amazing. I can't believe it that the lemongrass oil is so effective like this. I wish I had known about it before, but it's never too late for a farmer. We are meant to be very patient. So this particular one has this morning been colonized. So we're waiting to see about this other one here. And it's so exciting to start the new journey of producing my own true and authentic natural honey. I have so many flowers here, very many flowers in my yard and on my fence line, which is a natural fence on this side. Wow, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. I thank God, and I'm going to enjoy the journey.